how to disable and turn off and stop comments on your profile on Steam. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Steam. This is the homepage as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here in the top, click on friends, and now all what you have to do is click on edit profile name / avatar, and then go here to privacy settings, and then go down and you will find this option. Click here and choose private, and now no one can post comments on your profile. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.